The Sun, our life-giving star, formed nearly 4.6 billion years ago, long before the Earth solidified. It was born in a swirling cloud of gas and dust that ignited nuclear fusion, which still fuels it today. But here's a twist. Some of Earth's water may predate it. Many scientists believe that the water molecules on our planet were brought by icy comets or asteroids, formed far out in space and later bombarding the young Earth. Other studies suggest that water was present in the planet's earliest rocks all along. Either way, the H2O in your glass could be older than Earth itself, a gift from the ancient universe. Let me know if you'd like any further adjustments.